Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to hard reset Firestick. Let's go. First way, open settings. My Fire TV. Reset to factory defaults. Second way, restart. Hold down the round button and the play pause button. Your Firestick will be rebooted. Third way, open Amazon app, account, your account. Devices, Fire TV. Choose your Firestick, deregister. Fourth way, hold down the button to the right and return button. After 20 seconds, your Firestick will be reset to factory defaults. That's it. Now you know how to hard reset Firestick. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.